Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindanos, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Microsoft Windows search indexer is experiencing high CPU usage. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So what you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. So dito sa ating taskbar blank space area, so kailangan mo lang mag right click. And then select mo na dito yung Task Manager. And then dito sa Task Manager at dito lang sa Processes tab. So scroll down lang tayo. And then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Explorer. Okay, so ito siya. So select mo lang ganyan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then next step ay i-click mo lang dito yung Restart. Okay, so click mo lang siya. And then wait natin. So after natin ma-restart yung Windows Explorer, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin itong Task Manager. So dito lang sa search menu, click mo lang siya. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung indexing option. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung indexing options and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa indexing options, so ang next step ay dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung modify and advance. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong modify. So click mo lang siya. And then pop up itong kanyang index locations. Okay? So dito sa taas makikita mo dito yung ating devices and drives. So kailangan mo lang i-check yan. So check yung box. So lahat dapat naka-check yan. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then next step. So after natin ma-check yan, and then, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung advanced. So, click mo lang siya. And then, pop up itong kanyang advanced option settings. So, ang next step, dito lang sa troubleshootings, dito sa delete and rebuild index. So, kailangan mo lang i-click itong reverse. Click mo lang siya. And then, pop up itong kanyang notifications na rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search result might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong OK. Next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang sa search menu, so click mo lang siya. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space up system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to fix Windows search indexer high CPU usage. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.